Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team, and today I'm here to introduce you to the new large Qbert Quilt backdrop die. Now this is a nice large die that will fit on your A6 cards. This also worked well with the 5x7 dies that were released last year. So this die does measure 4 3/4 inches wide by 6 inches tall. So as I said, it is a substantial die. And I just love the detailing, the stitch detailing on the edges here. And then this part of the die is not going to cut. This will emboss onto your paper. So let me show you. Here I did use this on just some white cardstock. And you can see here that it just embossed those geometric shapes on the inside and did the stitch detail around. Now, I did go ahead and make one card with this to show you how beautiful this die looks. So I made this adorable Easter card, and I originally had this as a 5x7 card, but I cut it down a bit because, to be honest, I stained the bottom part of the card, so I had to shift it up a little. So the card itself measures 6 1/4 by 5. And I just used some shimmery metallic paper I had, shimmery gold. And I did some pastel ink blending on this Happy Easter with Shadow die. And then I used the Hippity Hoppity Bunnies stamps and coordinating dies. If you haven't done it already, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button on the Kat Scrappiness channel to be sure you don't miss any of the wonderful upcoming videos filled with inspiration on all the wonderful new products. I'll be sure to list the large Qbert Quilt backdrop die in the description box below, as well as any of the other products I used to make the card. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.